Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel, and today we're gonna be making slime. So I'm gonna tag my friend's account, Agnes, and she inspired me to do this as well. So I'm gonna do my version of slime. So this is how I make slime. Firstly, I get this glue, Elmer's glue. It's the best, and we are going to pour some inside. I'm gonna make very less, and you cannot find this in Hong Kong. So now we're gonna pour in the glue. This is really cool. I used to have a purple one, but I made slime already with it. I'll pause it first. I'll pause this and I'll come back to you guys. I think I used almost all of my glue, but it's worth making slime. Slime is not trendy, I don't know, but it's really cool, so you should try. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap to add just a little bit of, some kind of soap into it. I don't know if this is how it works, but I'm going to add a little bit of water. So that, I don't know, I'm just going to try. Now I'm using a spoon to mix it. Remember not to use the spoons that your family usually uses to eat. I'm using the spoon that no one uses to eat with or drink with. Look, I'm gonna now mix the glue, the soap, and the water together so that it has like a little slime consistency. Just a little bit. It's gonna turn like something like this. So, yep. It just goes like this. Yeah, I'm gonna pause this and I'll come back to you guys. Now we're adding some Tide because Tide is one of the activators that you can use, but it stinks really bad, and I recommend you not using Tide because it's like don't play with slime that much because it's not good for your skin, and you need to wash your hands if you want to play this. So now we're gonna mix this together. The Tide's a little blue, so we're just gonna mix it, because as you can see, the slime is also forming. I'm gonna tag 2 people who did this and I saw. I'm not sure about other people, but they're in my friend's place. So yeah, look how it's turning purple. I love it. In your screen, you can see it's a little darker, but mine is like pastels, which I really like. So you can see like it's still not forming that much, so we're gonna mix it a little bit more. Now I'm adding some more Tide, but then I accidentally added too much, so I used a spoon to mix it back. So now we're gonna be mixing it. Now it's a little gloopy, so I might add more glue. Sorry about that. So now we are going to use our hands to mix with. Look at this. Well, it's a little sticky since I added some glue, but I call this slime. But I just need a little bit more to mixing. I'm gonna mix it like this so that it can be a little less gloopy. If I need more, then I have some here, like this, and it's gonna form really soon. Look at this; it's like really shiny, so that's cool. I brought this I brought this glue in Thailand, so I don't think you can find it in Hong Kong if you live in Hong Kong, but I'm sure like other countries have it. So I'm mixing So now I'm finished mixing my slime finally. This part, look at how foamy it is because we added dish soap and some water. I'm really proud of this slime. How it turned out was really good, but it's just a little bit sticky. And I'm gonna maybe give you an ASMR maybe. I don't know how it works. Well, let's try ASMR. Okay. Does that work? I don't know if this works, but so yeah, that's my short ASMR. I have to use my headphone mic, and this is just really cool. But I don't know if So yeah, my mic is actually really having a hard time. But yeah. Thanks for watching this video. I will link my Agnes Cherry and Apple X Beans channel down below in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoy this slime video. I might post another video about something else. Depends if I have time. And look at this. Oh my god. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the best slime I ever made. Thanks for watching this video.